I wanted to go over what this new home construction or remodel construction budget has in it to help you with your next project. So I used this one when we built our home, and it really kept me organized and helped me stay on budget, know where we were and how much we had left. So this budget template includes your main budget items, and these are marked with the blue emoji here. And then you have your sub items, which are marked with these little asterisks. And this is, so when you're doing your budget, what you want to do is you budget $20,000 for all the concrete, labor, materials, any other sort of setup. And then these sub budgets here will help keep you organized per invoices. So you're going to get several different invoices under this line item, and this is how you keep track of each individual invoice. This field right here is the variance field, and what it does is it calculates the difference in your budget and your total spent. So you can see here our budget was $20,000, the total spent was $21,500, and so you would be over $1,500 on your budget here. So it's a really good way to help you keep track of it. Here at the bottom you have your total budget, and then you have your total actual amount spent. So we also have here a contractor field, and this is actually links to a contractor database so that you can keep track of all the contractors you have working for you. So here you can add whatever notes you need to with each one, and then also you can see here how much you have paid each contractor. So there's also a paid field. It has a checkbox, so you can check it off when you pay each contractor. You can put the date paid. You can upload the actual invoice here. You can also add a check number on any one. And then this section right here is the tags. So right here you can kind of keep track of each section of your budget. So in this one for the frame material, I went ahead and added a frame material tag here, and what you can do is you go over here to your category view and you can automatically filter it according to the tag. So this one is filtered right now for the concrete, so you can see everything labeled with the concrete tag. So you want to be sure and do that when you're adding your own budgets here. You can get started by adding you can use a lot of these. I've added quite a few for any sort of house setup, but if some of these don't work for you, you can just edit them really simple. Open it up, delete this one, and then type whatever else you need on there. And then you can also at the same time change the tag. You can either use any of these, or you can create your own tag so that you can separate everything out. So another field that we have is the category tag field, and that's this one over here. And what it does is it pulls all the line items together. So we're going to look at it in the page view here, but what you can do is whatever sub categories you have, add them here into this main one, and that way everything is pulled together and it's easier to keep track of everything. So that is the home construction budget or the remodel budget and the contractor database that you can use in Notion, and I hope that it helps you out.